Reflection of light. Today is our topic, reflection of light. We're going to discuss about what is reflection of light. In our past class, we already finished about motion. Different types of parameters of motion we discussed. Now we are going to talk about a new topic and new lesson is reflection of light. Reflection of light. Okay, first of all, you must know about what is the mean of reflection. What is the mean of reflection? What is the mean of light? What is the mean of light? Then first we will discuss about what is the mean of light. What is the mean of light? Can you say what is the mean of light? Yes? Light. In Telugu, what you can say? Light means this is in Telugu. But coming to that, light is a electromagnetic wave. Light is a electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic wave. Light is a electromagnetic wave. I understand. Electromagnetic wave means what? How light will travel. We know well one thing. Light makes us sensation to our vision. To our vision means it creates wonders to our vision. The light creates wonders to our vision. Understand? Why? Because I am saying light is a what? Light makes us sensation or wonders because of if there is no light. If there is no light, of course, we know well this is a marker. We know well we are looking into each other. What I'm writing on board, we are able to look because of course, we are going by classes through videos. Is it or not? But one thing, what happened? With our eyes only not looking to our sceneries or surroundings, it helps to our eyes, which is light must be help to our light must be help to us, means it must be help to our eyes. Understand? So without light we never look to our surroundings. That's very necessary to our life. So coming to that, what I'm saying, light makes us sensation to our vision. Okay, light makes us sensation to our vision. How, like, suppose if we are in unknown room. Unknown means what? Which is don't know. Unknown means which is don't know. So if we are in unknown room, where we are in unknown room, when you are in unknown room, are you ready to pick anything from that room? If it is known room, if it is known, means which is you know already, which is you know already. If you know that room, if you know that room, you can ready to pick or not anything from that room. Yes, of course, because of if which is that know to us, from that we know well where the particular thing in that room. If it is unknown room, so what we are saying, that particular thing where it was located, that we don't know. Because of what happened, imagine what I did not say complete information to you because of unknown, but we are searching in dark. We are searching in dark. Where we are searching? Dark room. Means what? There is no light. There is no light. Yes, if there is no light, what happens? It is unpredictable. Unpredictable. It is not possible to what? See our surroundings, to look anything. So that is I'm saying to you. So light makes a sensation to our vision. That's what I'm saying to you. Okay. And the same time, light is following one property. Light following one property. What? Light travels always in a straight line or straight path. How light will travel? Always it will travel in a straight path or in linear path. linear path. Otherwise, it will travel in a what? In a one-dimensional path, means single path, means straight path. Okay, how light it will travel? We will discuss one example. How light will travel in this particular way only. Let's discuss that. We are taking three curved boards. Three curved boards. Curved boards. Three curved boards. So those are with three mutual size. Mutual size, mutual heights. Mutual size, mutual heights. This is one. This is one. This is one. I'm saying mutual heights. Mutual means same. We are arranging with a stick by placing on a table with mutual heights. With mutual heights. Giving names for the code boards A, B, C. What are the names for the code boards? A, B, C. Coming to that, I'm making a small hole to the three code boards. To the three code boards on that particular means with the same height. Means the hole's height should be mutual in these three code boards. How like I'm estimating to draw means I'm making three holes with the mutual heights. I'm making three holes to the three code boards with mutual heights. Means the three holes are in the same line. The three holes are in same line. I will say to you how those will be in same line. Suppose imagine these are the cardboards. I'm showing to you two. Okay. So I'm making holes at center. Those two holes are in the same line. If you look by this hole, from this hole, you may look at this book or otherwise another hole. Is it? By that we can coming to that. Then now I'm sending a light. Now I'm sending a light ray or light. See there, now I'm sending light with help of source of light. With the help of source of light. Source of light. Source of light means what? The device which emits, which produces light. Which emits, which produces light. So by the devices which produce light, like a torch light, like a candle, or tube light, or bulb, otherwise laser lights, I'm using anyone to get the light from the device. So now I'm sending light with help of source of light. When I'm sending light by this manner through this water, through the first cardboard hole, through the first cardboard hole, means A of the cardboard hole. The name of cardboard is what? A. The name of the cardboard is A. Through the cardboard name what is A? Through this particular cardboard, I'm sending what? Light. What I'm sending? Light. When it passes through, your friend is observing from other side. Your friend is observing from other side. You're sending light from this surface, means through this first cardboard. Your friend is observing that light ray whether coming or not to out from where? At the behind of the third cardboard. At the behind of the third cardboard. So before you arrange those three cardboards are in the same path, means with the same height or mutual height. Mutual height. Now we are sending light through these holes. You may observe or not whether light will travel or not through the three cardboards of the holes. Yes, of course. The light will travel through these three holes of the cardboards because of what happened. Why it will travel? That we'll discuss one more with her. Understand? Then coming to the back one more. What see here. The second cardboard. I'm adjusting to the downwards. To the downwards. The whole what happened? It adjusts to the downwards. 3 cardboards are used. The name of the B cardboard, I'm adjusting to the down means the height of the second cardboard adjusting to the down, decreasing. Means what happened? The 3 holes are not in the same path. The 3 holes are not in the same path. Is it or not? Then now again I'm sending light. Again I'm sending light with the help of source of light. When I'm sending light through the first cardboard, your friend is observing from the third cardboard, behind of the third cardboard, and he is asking light not coming out from the third cardboard. He is asking what? Light not coming from the third cardboard. Understand? So why the light is not entered through the cardboard? Why light not entered through the cardboard? Suppose if you staying at behind of the wall, the light falls on you from the sun. No, because of the light obstruct by the wall to avoid to fall on you. Is it or not? Means what happened? The light does not travel through opaque substance. The light does not travel through opaque substances. Opaque substances are bodies, opaque bodies. Otherwise, we can write opaque body. Okay. Opaque means what? The substance or the body which does not allow light through them. Which does not allow light through them. Those substances we can call what? Opaque substances. Opaque substances. Opaque substances. The substances does not allow the light through them. Which material, which substance or which bodies are not allowing light through them? Those materials, those substances are, those bodies we may call opaque bodies or opaque substances. So now I'm talking about cardboard is a opaque substance. Cardboard is a opaque substance. Cardboard means what we can say in Telugu? That is what is that? Cardboard means yeah. So cardboards are what? Opaque substance. When light travel by this hole, it obstruct to the what? Cardboard. Obstruct to the cardboard. So by that the cardboard does not entering the light, does not allowing light through the cardboard. Before why light entered through? Because of the 3 cardboards are in the same height. 3 cardboards are in the same height. That's why before it was entered in the first situation, now what happened? The light does not allow through the cardboard because the cardboard height was decreased their height. The cardboard height was decreased, the whole height is decreased. So by that what happened? Those are observing your friend never get the light from the third cardboard to out. By that we can say in first situation what happened? Light entered. And second situation, light does not enter to third cardboard. Yes, because of light always travel in a straight line path. Light always travel in a straight line path. Straight line path. That's why before we discuss in motion lesson, when a body travel in a straight line path, it follows linear motion or rectilinear motion. What? Rectilinear motion. That's why like light travel always in a straight line path. That's why light follows rectilinear property. What is that? Rectilinear property. Rectilinear property. Rectilinear property. Because of light travel always in a straight line path. Straight line path. Understand? Then coming to that. This is the way to understand how light will travel always. Then light travels always in a straight line path. Straight line path. Then why it is suppose when light travels through the different materials, how it will travel means which material allows the light, that we can coming to that. So we can talk about three type of materials here. First one is the transparent materials. Transparent materials. Transparent materials means you can say examples different are there. The material which allows light completely through them. The material which allows light completely through them. The material which allows light completely through them, those materials we can call what? Transparent material. Transparent material. Understand? Transparent material. Transparent materials means what I'm saying? The materials which are allowing light through them. The materials which are allowing light through them completely. The materials which are allowing light completely through them, those materials we're calling what? Transparent materials. Transparent materials. Coming to that, transparent materials examples are what? Examples. What examples? Glass. Glass. Mirror not. Glass. And the next, tell me. Cello. White tape. Yes, you can some more. Best example for transparent materials. Water is also transparent. Transparent. Best example is what? Our atmosphere. Atmosphere. Our atmosphere. See, in our atmosphere, we are clearly able to see or not, means our atmosphere allowing complete light through them. Complete light through them. Is it or not? So, the light travels through water, the substance which allows light completely through them. The material which allows light completely through them, those materials we can say transparent materials. Transparent materials. Okay? Then one more we can. The substances which does not allow the light through them. The materials which does not allows light through them. The materials which does not allows light through them. Those materials we can call opaque materials or opaque substances. Opaque materials or opaque substances. What I'm saying to you, the materials are the substances which does not allow, which not allows. The materials are which substances, which materials does not allow the light through them. Does not allow light through them. Those materials or those substances are calling what? Opaque materials or opaque substances. Understand? So those are opaque substances or opaque materials. Examples for those cardboards, tables, and books, and walls, wooden pieces. Okay, different, which not allows the light through them. Those materials we can call what? Opaque substances. Opaque substances. Understand? Then example we know well what are there in our surrounding. The next one, third one, the materials which are allowing light. The materials which are allowing light partially through them. The materials which are allowing light partially through them. Those materials we can call translucent materials. Translucent materials means what we can say? Materials which are allowing light partially through them. Partially through them. Example, I am showing to you paper. Example, paper. See, other side, letters are visible or not? See, okay. So what we can say from here, translucent materials, the substances which allows light partially through them. Those materials we can call what translucent materials. The materials which allows light partially through them. Examples what we can say, papers, it allows light. Okay, and also different are the bed sheets. Okay, and also which you can observe ground which allows partial light in our surroundings. We can observe dried leaves. It allows partial light. Such a like we can. Okay, and coming to that, that paper will become as a transparent from the translucent. Paper will become transparent from the translucent. How like by sticking oil to the translucent paper. By sticking oil to the paper, it becomes as a transparent. Okay, those are materials to allow the light, which are allowing, which are not allowing, which are partially allowing. Then coming to that, light, that is a general information about light. Is it or not? Then when light will make shadows, when light will make shadows, when it will make shadows for all, and also it makes images. Okay, shadows exactly from the opaque substances. Shadows are visible from opaque. When light obstructs to the opaque substances, that opaque substance does not allow the light through them. That's why it makes a shadow to the backside of the materials or substances. And images are forming from every object, whatever the transparent or opaque or translucent paper or substances. Okay, coming to that, then what is the mean of reflection? What is the mean of reflection? Reflection. General meaning of reflection. Reflection means what? Bounce back. What is the meaning of bounce back? Suppose we are throwing a ball towards the wall. Now I am throwing. This is a wall. What is this? Wall. I am throwing a ball towards the wall. This is the ball. It obstructed there. And it rebounds to back by this direction. Is it or not? See, it reflects. The body reflects to back. The ball reflects to back by obstructing to the wall. Is it or not? See, reflection means what I'm saying, bouncing back. We may say when you are looking towards the sun reflecting more, you may say. Sun reflecting light is more. Is it or not? Sun reflecting light? Never. Sun never reflects the light. Sun always delivers the light. Sun always delivers the light. Okay. Sun is a what? Greater. What you can say? Star. Sun is a star. Big star. Star means what? Star means what? The substance means the body which are emitting light. Emitting means what? Emitting means giving light, give out, send out. Okay, the body which emit the light by themselves. By themselves. Themselves means by own. The body which produces light by their own. By their own, those bodies we can call luminous bodies. What those? Luminous bodies. Luminous bodies. Luminous bodies. Luminous bodies means what? The bodies which are giving light by themselves, by their own. Those are luminous bodies. Luminous body. In our universe, in our solar system, only three luminous bodies are there. Only three luminous bodies are there. One is what? Our primary source of light. Our primary source of light means what? Earth's primary source of light is what? Sun. Sun is the first star, what I am saying luminous body. And second one is the stars. And third one is a small insect. A small insect. It gives a light at night. It gives a light at night at their tail due to the chemical reaction. Due to the chemical reaction. Due to the sun, why is sun giving light out? Because of due to the nuclear reactions, due to the nuclear fusions. Nuclear fusion means the collision between the nuclear atoms. The collision between the nuclear atoms. The sun delivers always light by their own. Stars also giving light by their own because of the reaction between the gas molecules. Reaction between the gas molecules. Okay, coming to that, which bodies are not giving light by themselves? Those are non-luminous bodies. Moon giving light at night, is it? But it is not giving light by themselves. It is giving by the reflection from the sun. When sunlight fall on that moon, then it reflects to the back. So moon is a non-luminous body because of it is not giving light by themselves. Understand? Then coming to the back here, reflection means bounce back. Bounce back. Then how this bounce back? We may discuss about light, reflection of light. Reflection of light. Then see that. What is a reflection of light? Reflection of light. See what I'm talking to you. This is a plane surface. Reflection of light means the bouncing back of light. The bouncing back of light. Reflection of light means what you can say? Bouncing back of light. How like? We have to discuss with a clear information, with a definition. Is it or not? How like? I'm saying to you, plane surface. What I'm taking? What I'm saying to you, plane surface. I'm taking plane surface. The surface should be smooth. The surface should be smooth of an object. Plane surface. Example, you can say what? Mirror. What? Mirror I'm taking. Glass surface. Actually, glass is not a mirror. But we can make mirrors from the glass. How like glass at another side are coated with what is silver. We are applying different colors of the mirror dark side. Green, red, white, silver coated surface. Silver coated surfaces. By that the glasses are become as mirrors. Understand? So I'm taking plane surface to do this activity. What I'm taking? Plane surface. Plane surface. See. This is plane surface. That's why I'm saying to you, at one side I am going to draw dotted shape. Means it shows what opaque surface. This is a reflected surface. Means this is a plane surface, smooth surface, and this is a opaque surface, like a mirror. Like a mirror. Now I'm going to draw one perpendicular line to the plane surface. One perpendicular line to the plane surface. One perpendicular line to the plane surface. How like it is going? See. This is a perpendicular line. Perpendicular means what? The line which makes 90 degrees. The line which makes 90 degrees. So I think we may observe it makes 90 degrees. Is it? Yeah. So coming to that, when light is passing through the normal line or perpendicular line. Understand? when light is passing perpendicular to the plane surface. See here, we have to talk most of what light ray. We have to talk about light ray. Why we want to talk about light ray? If you talk about light, what will happen? Why we want to talk about light ray? Why if you talk about light, what will happen? Light means a beam of light. A beam of light. Beam of light. Beam of light means a collective light ray, means the number of light rays are group of light rays. Group of light rays. Beam means group. Heap. Heap means what? Heap. Group. Mob. Okay, heap. Collected. The two or more light rays are nothing as the group of two or more light rays are nothing as a beam of light we can call as a light. Understand? When you are focusing towards the sun, we may observe clearly light rays are spread out from the sun. See there, the light rays never intersect at anywhere to reaches to the any surface. So that's why sun always delivers a parallel beam of light. A parallel beam of light rays. Parallel lines. Parallel lines means what? Equidistance between the two lines. Understand? Means parallel lines never intersect at anywhere. So that's why sun delivers always parallel beam of light rays. So what I'm saying to you, now we are talking about a single light ray. Because of it is not possible to talk about beam of light by observing the reflection. Because of how the reflection is coming, how it is falling on the plane surface, we must analyze. That's why we are going to talk about light ray. And how we are going? Light ray. When light ray passes through plane surface as a perpendicular. When a light ray traveling perpendicular to the plane surface. Light ray. I'm sending light ray by source of light by this direction. Means arrow mark shows the towards passing, traveling. How the body traveling. Arrow mark shows direction to move, direction to travel. Now arrow mark shown upwards or downwards? Arrow mark is showing downwards. So by showing arrow mark downwards, light ray coming to the downwards. When light ray traveling perpendicular to the plane surface, it never give reflection. Means it will travel in the same path. Understand? When light ray travel perpendicular to the plane surface, it never give reflection. It will travel in the same path. Now coming to that, I'm talking one more. A light ray passing or light ray instant on a plane surface, a light ray incident. Incident means obstruct, falling, touching. Incident. Okay. A light ray incident on a plane surface. With making an angle. The light ray making an angle with normal. See there, this is a normal law. A light ray incident on a plane surface which is making an angle with the normal. See there, I am saying to you, this is a angle theta 1. When a light ray incident on a plane surface, fall, touch, obstruct. Okay, when a light ray incident on a plane surface, incident on a plane surface, the light ray bounce back. The light ray bounce back in the same medium. The light ray bounce back in the same medium. The light ray bounce back in the same medium with the same angle. With the same angle means we can say theta. I'm saying both angles are same. How like the angles are same we will prove within soon. Understand? Coming to that, what I'm saying to you, the bouncing back of light ray. The bouncing back of light ray. See, the bouncing back of light ray. Light ray bounce back now. The bouncing back of light ray from means where it is coming. Where it is coming. The bouncing back of light ray from the point of incident. The point of incident. The point of incident. The point of incident means what? Point of incident means what? The point of incident means where the light ray incident on the plane surface. Where the light ray incident on the plane surface. The light ray incident on this particular place. This is the point of incidence. Point of incidence. From this point of incidence, it bounces to back. It bounces to back. The bouncing back of light ray. We are talking light ray now. The bouncing back of light ray from the point of incident is known as reflected light ray. What is that? Reflected light ray. Reflected light ray. Which is reflected light ray? The bouncing back of light ray. The bouncing back of light ray from the point of incident. From the point of incident in the same medium. In the same medium is nothing as what is reflected light ray. Then what is the reflection of light? We learned about reflected light ray. Then what is the reflection of light? Same as the bouncing back of light. The bouncing back of light. Before light ray. Now light. The bouncing back of light from the point of incident. From the point of incident in the same medium. In the same medium. Why I am using same medium? Why? There from the light ray came to incident in the same medium only light ray reflected to back. The bounce to back. Reflected. Reflection of light. Light. The bouncing back of light from the point of incident in the same medium is known as reflection of light. Reflection of light. Are you clear about reflection of light and reflected light ray? Yes, coming to that. So then this is we are calling what? Incident light ray. Incident light ray. Due to the incident light ray only we are getting what? Reflected light ray. Yeah, see this. This is what? What is this? Marker. Are you able to look or not? Yes, we are able to look. Then is it possible to look direct to that? Means a light ray coming direct towards from you only on the marker. It is possible to get no more. Actually, the light falls from the sun on the marker first of all. First light incident on the marker, then light ray bounce to back, then the light ray bounce to back. By the bounce of light, bounce back of light, due to the bounce back of light, we may recognize that. We may recognize that it is which is the particular thing. Means we may get, we are observing our surroundings, we are looking any things due to the only reflection of light. Due to the only reflection of light. Are you ready to look with your direct eyes to the sun? Is it possible to look? No more. It is a dangerous, harmful it is. Is it or not? It will be blur our surroundings, our atmosphere, our eyes. Yes, because of we never look direct light, because we are getting images of the object by the reflection of light only. Only by reflection only we are able to look our surroundings. We are able to look surroundings or objects or things. We are able to recognize anything by only what? Reflection of light. Then coming to that, we have an idea on reflection of light right now. Is it reflection of light? The bouncing back of light from the point of incident in the same medium is known as reflection of light. Reflected light ray. Reflected ray showing by the symbol is small r. Incident light ray showing by the symbol is small I. Small I. Are you okay on that? Then coming to that. See, this is the incident light ray. This is a reflected light ray. What is the angle of incident light ray? What is the angle of incident light ray? Incident light ray. See, before I said when incident light ray incident on the plane surface, it makes an angle with what I said, with normal. It makes an angle with the normal. So the angle of incident light ray is, my question is what? Is angle of incident light. Now I'm saying answer to you. The angle is the angle of incident light ray. The angle of incident light ray is, the angle of incident light ray is where? Between incident light ray to the normal light ray. Incident light ray to the normal light ray. So normal light ray showing by the n. Normal light ray showing by the n. The angle between the what normal light ray and incident light ray is nothing as what? Angle of incident light ray. Angle of incident light ray. Same as the angle between normal light ray and reflected light ray. The angle between normal light ray and reflected light ray is nothing as angle of reflected light ray. Angle of reflected light ray. This is the angle of incident light ray. Means theta 1 is the angle of incident, theta 2 is the angle of reflected light ray. Understand? Then coming to that. If this is incident light ray, this is reflected light ray, and this is normal light ray. Okay? Then see here what I'm saying to you. Here this is plane surface now. Plane surface. What I'm saying to you, this angle, this angle or glancing angle. Glancing angle. Glancing angle. Glancing angle. Glance. Glance means touch, move by close. Tappering. Tappering means touching. Okay. So the body which moves by touching or by close, that is a glance. So glance means the light rays are moving close to the plane surfaces. Plane surfaces. That's why I'm saying these angles are glancing angles. Glancing angles. What are those? Glancing angles. So the glancing angles are both are same. The glancing angles both are same. Same as the incident light ray and the reflected light ray both are same. How like we'll prove that? Okay. Then coming to that, where the glancing, what is the glancing angle? What is the glancing angle? The angle between incident light ray to the plane surface. The angle between incident light ray to the plane surface is known as incident glancing angle. Incident glancing angle. The angle between reflected light ray to the plane surface. The angle between reflected light ray to the plane surface is known as reflected glancing angle. Reflected glancing angle. The incident glancing angle and reflected glancing angle both are same. Both are same. Understand? Then See that. Do you have any clarity? Are you okay on this? Hmm? So, reflection, there are two laws of reflection. Two laws of two laws of reflection. Two laws of reflection. One is angle of incident light ray is equal to the angle of reflected light ray. Angle of incident light ray is equal to the angle of reflected light ray. Angle of incident light ray is equal to the angle of reflected light ray. Angle of incident light ray is equal to the angle of reflected light ray. So you can say theta 1 is equal to theta 2. Theta 1 is equal to theta 2. That will prove very soon. Okay. And second one is the three light rays are, how many we have? How many light rays we have? Three light rays. What are those? Can you recall? Incident light ray, reflected light ray. Then what is the third light ray? Normal light ray. Normal light ray. The three light rays. The three light rays. Incident light ray, normal light ray, and reflected light ray are lies in the same point of the incident. Lies in the same point of the incident. See, the three light rays are lies in the same point of the incident. Where the light ray incident, from there only the three are exhibit. Understand? Second law is what? The three light rays are incident light ray, reflected light ray, normal light ray are lights in the way the same of the point of incident. Lies at same point of the incident. Those two are laws of reflection. Laws of reflection. Those laws of reflection we can prove by experiment. Those two laws of reflection we can prove by the experiment. That we will discuss. Okay. Very soon. We'll talk about some more information on this. Then, reflection is classified two types: regular reflection, irregular reflection. Regular reflection, irregular reflection. Regular reflection, irregular reflection. Then what is the regular reflection? The reflection taking from the plane surfaces. The reflection taking from the plane surfaces. It gives clear image. It gives clear image, clear light. How much light incident on the gives a reflection the same amount of light back. Understand? So regular reflection takes from the plane surface before what you observed. The best example our mirror. Best example our mirror. We'll discuss once again that. I'm coming to the irregular reflection. Irregular reflection. Then how irregular reflection? The reflection taking from irregular. It takes a multiple reflection. Suppose our wall is a rough surface. Irregular reflection takes from rough surface means reflection takes from rough surfaces gives irregular reflection. Irregular reflection means the image become as a blur. Image become as a blur means it will dispatch as a separate parts. Dispatch as a separate parts. So we may get on rough surface. On rough surface, how image will suppose rough surface I am going to draw this is. When light ray fall on this, it gives reflection light. When light ray fall on this, it gives reflection by that. When light ray fall in this, it gives reflection by that. Means it gives multiple reflection. Means irregular reflection. Irregular reflection. By that, what happened? Image not being clear. Image not being clear. Those are types of reflection. Then we'll talk some more information on that. Which is incident light ray, which is reflected light ray, which is incident light ray, which is reflected light ray. Incident light ray means the light ray should incident on the plane surface. The light ray should incident on the plane surface means it moves close to inside. It comes close to inside. See, which is arrow mark shows close to inside. This arrow mark shows inside. So this is the incident light ray. What is this? Incident light ray. So angle is what? Angle of incidence. The light ray moves away from the point of incidence. That is the point of incidence. So it's moving, so bouncing back of light. So this is a reflected light ray. So this is the angle is what? Angle of reflection of light. Angle of reflected light ray or angle of reflection of light. Coming to that. These are what I said, glancing angles. Glancing angles. Same as. However, the drawing is not a problem. Arrow marks must be. Otherwise, they may recognize which is incident, which is reflection of light rays. Understand? So that is a general information to you. Let's will talk one question on that. See there. Yeah. What I'm saying to you, if the angle of reflected light ray, angle of reflected light ray is 30 degrees. Angle of reflected light ray is 30 degrees. Angle of reflected light ray is 30 degrees. What I'm saying to you, angle of reflected light ray is 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Then what is the glancing angle? Then what is the glancing angle? What is the glancing angle? Glancing angle. Glancing angles I said two types. One is incident glancing angle, one is reflected glancing angle. But both are same I said. Is it or not? And coming to that, the given angle of reflected light ray, where is the reflected light ray? This is the given how much? 30. Is it or not? There are two methods to find. One I will say to you, I will see coming to that. So we know already I said what I said to you. What I said to you. So reflected light ray is 30 means. Then see one thing. Normal light ray makes how much? This is a 90. That is a 90. 90 means this angle is 30 means remain how much will be 60. Remain 60. 60 plus 30, 90. So similarly, this is also 60. Understand? By that way, we can find for this student, we will learn this much. Then next class, we will continue as the same as with different problems and how mirror will show our properties and what is the next step to understand laws of reflection. Next, we'll meet in the next class. See you again. Good day to you.